company. Best memories in Kirkland. First park I set foot on in January. New routine, I would go there for my daily walk. I could be there within minutes, where I did training in the rain to be a runner. I learned to wear my ugly shoes for the wet grass. There I had my first swim in the lake for the summer. Most beautiful rainbow-colored sunsets. Dogs come up to say hi. I gotta feed the desperate ducks. Even on sad rainy days, the beauty still made me smile. Surrounded by ravenous crows, the nature was always worthwhile. The cold weather would freeze my nose, still it's where I went for some inner calm. First time meeting the missionaries. First lake I paddleboarded in Washington, where I had a few okay dates. The geese would stare at me angrily. I would see all the seasons change. That's where I had the best birthday party. Seattle brought me to this place. I loved seeing Mount Rainier looking snowy. The ducks would couple up during the sunset. Just watch. There I showed kindness to a distressed lady. This place sure helped me escape for a bit. I would climb the fallen deformed tree, hold on to hope. For that moment, let go of all my misery. I claimed it my place of residence, where I would shed my depths of despair. I couldn't be more appreciative for my place of solitude that year.